Hero MotoCorp retailed a record 14 lakh two-wheelers in the country during 32 days of the festive season. Hero says that the festive period was spread between the first day of Navratra in October to the concluding day, one day after Bhai Dooj in November. Between this period, the company registered a 98% hike in volumes over last year and a 103% increase compared to the same period in 2018. The overwhelming demand for Hero products has helped reduce vehicle stocks at its dealerships to less than 4 weeks, the lowest post-festive inventory recorded by the company. Hero's entry-level offerings like the Splendor Plus and the HF Deluxe remained its highest sellers, followed by the Glamour 125 and Super Splendor 125 motorcycles. Premium offerings like the Xtreme 160R and the Xpulse 200 also commanded good volumes. Hero's Destiny and Pleasure scooters registered double-digit growth during the festive season. Honda has finally unveiled the new Civic concept, giving us a preview of the next generation 2022 Civic sedan. The new Honda Civic prototype was shown in a solar flare pearl color, flaunting a sportier and more upmarket look. The upcoming 11th generation Honda Civic continues to come with the company's signature design language, with a low and wide stance, low belt line and clean character lines. The new generation Civic will arrive in the second half of 2021 in the production avatar, and Honda will first introduce the sedan version, which will be followed by the sporty Civic hatchback, performance-focused Civic Si, and the ultimate high-performance Civic Type R. More details on the production versions will be released only next year. Ducati has taken the wraps of the 2021 Ducati Supersport 950 and the Supersport 950S for the world. The motorcycle gets subtle cosmetic changes for the 2021 model year, along with new features, and is now Euro 5 compliant as well. The sport touring machine gets a new fairing that resembles the Panigale V4, while there are new air intakes next to the LED headlamps that feed fresh air to the engine. The headlights themselves are completely new, and the LED signature pattern is similar to that on the Panigale V4. Power comes from the updated 937cc L-twin engine that now makes 110 brake horsepower and 93 Nm of peak torque. The oil bath clutch is now activated by the new hydraulic control, and the lever is now adjustable as well. The bike also comes with a 6-axis IMU along with ABS, quick shift, wheelie control and more. Other components will be carried over from the existing model. The 2021 Ducati Supersport 950 and the 950S will go on sale in India sometime next year.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.